Mama!
Hey!
What?
Eternal Day.
That's funny.
Eternal Day.
Oh, yeah? You can't do it.
Yeah.
It's funny. Mama! I can't do it! Uh-huh. What? You don't want to argue with me anymore?
I got one.
Okay. Mama!
Go talk to daddy. Thank you, daddy, ah.
It's not funny? What? Well, it's not my fault you can't play the iPad. It's not my fault you can't win the game.
Well, I got it.
Well, nothing. It's your own fault.
Well, I didn't hit.
Well, then don't play it.
I didn't hit.
I'm not going to help you.
Well, I didn't hit.
Well, if you can't beat the game, find another game to play.
Look at me.
That's Mimi, yeah.
It's a demon.
She's changing the topic.
Uh-huh. You don't want to talk about the game anymore?
Yeah.
You were pretty upset that I was laughing at you.
Yeah. I told Mama.
Oh, I know you called Mama. I was laughing at you because of it. Because I thought it was funny.
Yeah, I told it.
Uh-huh.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
I told it.
Okay.
I told it.
Where's the iPad?
Mama. Here. I did.
Uh-huh.
Here. Hold on.
Well, I can't do it. Can you do it? Uh-huh. Well, it's up to you to do it. I can't help you. Well, then pick another game. Oh, that's right. Why is there banana in your cereal? Yeah? You're crazy.